In today's episode, we are going to recap the Dash Core Group's Q3 of 2019 conference call, also learn which cryptocurrency-focused social media platform has integrated Dash, and how Dash is making moves to improve remittances in even more Latin American countries, this time Mexico. But trust me, there is a whole lot more that I will be reporting on, so don't go anywhere. Hello and welcome to the Dash News Recap. My name is Heidi and this video is dedicated to keeping you up to date on all of the recent Dash News highlights. Links to all of the news stories can be found down below, so let's get started. As always, it has been a very productive couple weeks for Dash, and I'm very happy to be able to share these new and important developments with you. So let's take a look at what's been happening in the world of Dash lately. Dash Core Group has announced they will be hosting an open house to showcase the upcoming launch of Dash Platform Release, commonly known as Evolution. The tentative agenda listed on the newly released website includes covering subjects such as an introduction to Dash Platform, Dash DAPI and Drive, Dash Pay-enabled wallets, developer portal, release process, community and communication, and a Q&A session, with the agenda subject to change. RSVP is encouraged since space is limited, so make sure to get in before it gets too crowded. Joel summarizes his biggest takeaways from the last quarterly call. First, Dash Platform Evolution is still anticipated to hit public testnet, or EvoNet, this quarter. Second, Dash Core Group is actively working to start a discussion about changing the block reward allocation away from the traditional 45 by 45 by 10 split, since chain locks have improved security to the point that might be giving excessive rewards to miners. Third, DCG has engaged with regulators and exchanges in Japan and Korea to explain how Dash with private send is no different than Bitcoin going through a mixing service. So far, South Korea delistings have been paused and UK delistings have been reversed. Fourth, Alt36 launched a private beta in July and launched fully and publicly in August, and now processes transactions across several merchants using Dash as a payment rail. Fifth, despite lackluster exchange price performance, Dash continues to do well in usage and adoption, including a 39% increase in economic transactions this last quarter. Dash Next has won the DAO Building of the Year award over MakerDAO and DAO Casino at the AI and Blockchain Summit in Malta for its innovations and ability to drive further cryptocurrency adoption. The award helps illustrate the success of the Dash DAO to select and fund organizations that are able to promote and spread Dash awareness. After winning the award, multiple people approached the Dash Next team to discuss the possibility of integrating Dash. If you thought those developments were impressive, keep on watching because you know I have a whole lot more Dash-tastic news to celebrate. In fact, I have a whole long list of new services and platforms that have begun to integrate Dash, so let's get you all caught up. Thanks to a previous partnership with Utrust, Dash is now available on Alternative Airlines, an air travel booking platform connecting over 650 airlines worldwide. Alternative Airlines also claims to be UK's fastest growing travel agency and ranked 93rd out of 100 by the Sunday Times Tech Track 100 fastest growing private tech companies in the country. This integration joins a growing list of travel companies that now accept Dash, including Cheap Air, Travala, Exceltrip, and Destinia. The Mexican cryptocurrency exchange Cubobit that integrated Dash in August has now debuted RemeZaZa that enables end recipients to have a Dash address associated with their account, which upon receiving a transaction converts instantly to Mexican pesos, funding their RemeZaZa debit card, their bank account, or debit account within 5 minutes from sending the transaction. RemeZaZa furthers Dash's expansion into the Latin American remittance market, and capturing just 1% of the U.S.-Mexico remittance market would add $350 million over the course of the year, adding 3.84% of the total value transacted by the network annually. Bitsa partner company of cryptocurrency platform BitNovo has debuted a cryptocurrency debit card aimed at users from the ages of 14 to 17 years old to top up a prepaid debit card after the service is activated with approval from a parent or guardian. The integration not only makes more real-world spending viable, but also targets younger individuals who are more open to cryptocurrency. Indodax is one of the leading Indonesian cryptocurrency exchanges and a top verified exchange by the Blockchain Transparency Institute, has integrated Dash InstantSend support for deposits thanks to Dash Next and Dash Core Group. Indodax serves 1.8 million members in 80 countries and has more than 50 types of digital assets available, and was recently verified by the Blockchain Transparency Institute, which looks for wash trading and ranks the cleanest exchanges. The integration not only brings more Dash on-ramps, but also joins a growing list of cryptocurrency exchanges that are recognizing InstantSend to give their customers a more seamless experience. The US-based global investment firm BlackRock reportedly owns over 11% of Dash Masternode company Neptune Dash, bringing the total percentage of the company owned by major investment firms up past 21% when combined with the percentage owned by Fidelity. This also means that Neptune Dash comprises 0.63% of total assets owned by the BlackRock Fund and 0.02% of the total assets by the Fidelity Fund. The relatively major investment means a lot since BlackRock has been historically reserved about cryptocurrency investment, while Fidelity has been fairly liberal with its cryptocurrency investments. Neptune Dash represents relatively stable returns with Masternode payouts. The popular Latin America-focused exchange and merchant point-of-sale system Cryptobuyer has now partnered with Dash Text to bring simple SMS cryptocurrency exchanges to their merchant solutions in order to be accessible to the over 50% of individuals in various Latin American countries that only have a dumb phone. The move joins a growing list of cryptocurrency solutions that better help individuals send and receive remittances, including the recent addition of RemeZaZa from the Mexican exchange Cubobit. Floyx is a social media news network dedicated to cryptocurrency news and claims to function like Facebook and Twitter, and even has a function to allow companies to pay to promote their posts. Dash was integrated into the platform through the Build with Dash program, a project funded by the Dash Treasury to encourage startups and other organizations to either integrate or to build on top of Dash. The integration adds to other social media applications of cryptocurrency, including eToro, recently introducing a portfolio based on Twitter sentiment with Dash comprising 47% at launch. Thank you for watching this episode of the Dash News Recap. Links to all of this information can be found down below in the video description. I hope that you found this video to be informative, and I look forward to reading your comments down below. Please press that like button, smash for Dash, and don't forget to comment and subscribe. It's bye for now, but stay dashy.